We are voting.
Voting.
Dr. Hange Jacob, seriously, we are voting today.
Captain Erastus, thank you for speaking to Nampa News. What are your expectations from these elections?
Well, we are expecting a better future. The reason why we are voting is that we want changes. We want to see things being implemented. So we don't want things just to be said, lip service being serviced, then nothing is we can see or nothing is being implemented. So we want things that we can see, things must happen. Then we can see that, okay, there is a changes. We want better future. So I can't even wait to see the Ministry of Poverty Reduction to be implemented. You see, I'm even hoping that I can be one of the first workers in that ministry. So we want the changes. This is the reason why we are voting, even though we are still in the bushes there. So we will just vote because we want the better future and not to be called any more poor people. So this is why we are voting.
And what other changes are you looking for?
The changes. We want. I don't want to see any more youth unemployed. People, only youth are in the streets. Education as well. So we want free education everywhere. So they must employ the youth. They are saying the youth is the future, but they are like ignoring them. So they are turning a blind eye to the youth. So, but we are the generation. We are the upcoming. We are the tomorrow leaders. So they must bring changes. Then everyone can see it. So, and I'm happy with everything that the SWAPO Vice President is saying. So it's very encouraging. So we are hoping and we have faith on that. So we are sure changes will come.
The major complaints that have come from this year's elections were mainly complaints about technical problems experienced with EVM machines, delays in opening polling stations on time, and long queues in the scorching sun. Voters, however, felt happy to be casting their votes in this year's democratic elections.
I feel so proud to going to vote on the EVM machine.
I feel glad. This is innovative, which is implemented by the government. It's a very addition to our technology.
Well, if we don't have a power failure, I think everything should go smooth.
It's so great. I'm going to vote for the first time and I can't wait to vote.
I think it's quite interesting, so it's gonna save time, so yeah.